USA Performance Parts. I'm out here in the warehouse. I put together a great top-end kit for big block Chevys. This is our most popular big block Chevy top-end kit because it comes with not only a great set of aluminum cylinder heads, these are competition style cylinder heads. One of the big things is they come with a hydraulic roller cam, not a regular flat tap. It comes with a hydraulic roller lifters. Gives you everything in here, not just the heads, but it comes with a competition valves, not a street valve, competition. Comes with a correct valve spring for the hydraulic roller. Comes with a studs, rock arm studs, guide plates, everything to put the heads together. Comes complete with stainless steel rocker arms, something that'll probably last you forever. Comes with the Edelbrock Performer intake manifold, the ARP manifold bolts, ARP head bolts, all the cam lube, the timing set, Felpro head gaskets, not a cheap aftermarket one, and the same with the intake gaskets. Comes with the Felpro. Like I said, it's all high quality stuff. Gives you everything to unbolt your old iron heads or an old aluminum set and update everything, including the roller cam and the rocker arms. Give us a call. These are in stock to ship. Give me a call here at USA Performance Parts, 704-397-7979.